get okra, and then I heard someone is doing something here, so I will show you what are they doing here, or maybe it's only him, it's only one who are working now here. So now there's a lot of dust in here because he is now, I don't know what is the process he's doing right now. Furnishing the jam or whatsoever that is called, I don't know. And now in here in our kitchen, they already painted it. Oh, that's one. And that's it. Nothing more. Here's only one here today. Oh, why that happened? I'm curious what is this? This is construction partners. Ito, sorry. Skim coating. And today I think, if I understood it right, and if I remember it right, they will, siya yung boss for coating. This one is magre-repaint na sila. This is the last coating na. Everywhere na, inside and outside the building. And now I will go home because I need to fetch Hannah already at school. So I will come back later to see the progress and show you as well, of course. Yesterday, my husband forgot his phone at the site. And then, kadarating pa lang niya sa bahay, sinabi niya, come with me and let's find and let's get my phone. Sabi niya. Alam niya yung exact place, sabi niya, dito sa may ganito. So, nisip ko naman, bakit kailangan pa akong kasama? So, we go there together, all together with Hannah, of course. Kasi hindi naman namin siya pwedeng iwan. Tapos, kaya tinawagan ko yung phone niya is nagre-ring pa naman. And then, we've searched everywhere. And then, tinulungan na rin kami ng other workers there kasi may kapitbahay sila doon na nag-work din. So, nagre-ring siya, pero sa site is wala kaming marinig na kahit ano. Siyempre, ang unang sinearch namin before is inside the car, which he is using, pero wala kami narinig. So, we go there in the site, but we found nothing. And then, umuwi na kami, tapos naabutan kami ng super lakas na ulan. And, ayun, super basang-basa kami kapag karating na namin dito sa bahay. Kasi wala kaming pahe. Siyempre, lalabas ng car to go inside. Even though few meters lang yung binabaan namin. Pero as in, super lakas ng ulan and super lakas din ng hangin. So, as in, basang-basa kami. Pero ako lang yung nabasa actually. Kasi ako yung lumabas and I get the umbrellas and I gave to them para hindi sila mabasa, lalo na si Hannah. Tapos, nagtanong na ako sa kanila. Kasi last time, naiwan na naman niya yung phone niya. Pero, that time kasi, yung isang worker is kinuha niya and then binigay sa amin. But this time, walang nagbalik. So sabi ko sa kanya, isipin mo kung saan ka ba nanggaling. Kung bago ka pumunta dito, hindi ka ba nagpunta ng market or whatsoever. Hindi, kasi nagbigay pa ako ng sweldo ni ganito, ni ganyan, sabi niya. And then I message naman yung ibang workers na may contact ako sa kanila kung may nakita sila, and they said they didn't saw it. So I contacted also yung foreman and yung anak niya, kasi siya yung anak niya rin, kasi siya yung nakatoka sa pag-paint ng bahay doon sa sa kila Sasha. Pero sabi nila is wala. Sabi nila, so I will ask our workers tomorrow if they saw it. He said. So, ang sabi ni husband, ano gagawin natin? Sabi ko naman, wala, maghintay tayo ng bukas. Siyempre, ano pa ang gagawin namin? Hindi yun lang, maghintay talaga. Maghintay tayo bukas, pero parang hindi naman ako kinakabahan or whatsoever, basta ganun. Tapos naisip ko, that would be the test for them. Kasi, workers lang yun nandoon. Kung kukunin nila, mawawala na yung trust, kumbaga, sa kanila. Tapos yun, di sinabi ko kay Kuya Romel, no, na which is foreman namin. Tapos, nung medyo kuminto na yung ulan, gabi na, as in gabi na talaga. Mga nasa 8 or 9 na siguro yata yun ng gabi. Bigla sila dumating dito sa bahay. Though, sinabi ko naman na nagri-ring siya, pero minsan, nawawala din yung, yung hindi siya nagri-ring na, tapos nagri-ring ulit, ganyan. Tapos sabi ko, nasa isip ko, meron siyang signal. While doon, kapag doon kasi kila Sasha, mahina ang signal doon. So sabi ko, nasa ibang place yun, hindi siya nandoon sa place na yun. And sa super lakas ang nasa isip ko din, super lakas ng ulan kagabi. So kung nasoak na siya sa water, wala na, hindi na siya gagana dapat. Yun yung nasa isip ko. Kaya, nasa ibang place yun, sabi ko. Either may kumuha or basta nasa ibang place siya. Yun yung nasa isip ko. Pero hindi ko na sinabi siya. Tapos, yun. Nung dumating sila Kuya Romel, tinanong lang nila. Nagpunta kami, sabi kasi nila, baka nasa loob. Nagpunta na kami kung Kuya. Nagri-ring siya, pero wala kaming naririnig na ring. Nagri-ring. Pero nag-search din kami. So, bale, 4 kaming nag-search. 4 or 5. Kasi may bata pa doon, no? Sumama din. Tapos yun, sabi nila, baka nasa loob lang ng car. Sabi, wala, kasi wala kami narinig. Pinagri-ring namin, pero tinatawagan namin, pero wala namang nagri-ring. O sige, tara, puntahan natin, sabi ni husband. Nagpunta sila sa car. Ayun, nandun nga. pero na-amaze naman ako sa kanila kasi akala, ang inaasahan ko talaga is kinabukasan na lang nila isosolve yung problem na yun. Kinabukasan na lang nila gagawin na magtatanong-tanong sa mga workers kung may nakita ba sila or something. Pero as in talaga, at that moment, pagkatapos ng ulan talaga, as in nagpunta pa sila dun sa site. Kaloka. In fairness, ang nila din. Parang ang warm din nila. So may din sila, may malasakit, kumbaga, sa kanya. So, maganda na. Sa tingin ko, maganda na yung nabuo nilang bonding all together there with the workers and with him. So, that's nice. The trust is there. That's nice. Kasi kapag mawala ang trust, masasayang lang. Sayang ang trust kung ganun. Kaya, thank you for the trust na binigay at pinagkatiwala din naman sa kanila dahil tinake care nila yun. Sana hindi sila magbago.
A few moments later.
And now I'm here fetching Hannah, pero nagpunta pa siya doon kay Teacher Irene niya nung grade 2. Nag-bless siya together with Kostya. Hindi ko lang alam kung si Kostya din nag-bless.